Welcome to our in-depth exploration of Salesforce sandboxes and environments. Today, we'll delve into the various types of sandboxes and their uses. First, let's discuss the developer sandbox, which is ideal for individual developers to create and test their applications. Next, we have the Developer Pro sandbox, offering more storage and data than the Developer sandbox, suitable for larger projects. Moving on to the partial copy sandbox, which includes a subset of your production organization's data for testing and training purposes. Then there's the full sandbox, an exact replica of your production environment, perfect for comprehensive testing and staging. Now, let's explore the benefits of using sandboxes, such as isolating testing from your production environment and ensuring data security. By utilizing sandboxes, you can also streamline development and testing processes, leading to higher quality deployments. In conclusion, understanding the different types of sandboxes and their uses is crucial for effective Salesforce development and deployment. If you found this video helpful, please do like, comment, subscribe, and share to support our channel. Thank you for watching.